Hello everyone. I'm extremely glad to see you all once again. This is Ritika, and in my today's video we are going to evaluate an essay. So the essay type I've chosen for today's video is a discussion based essay. So what we are going to do, we'll see how the student has written that essay so that you people can understand what all mistakes you need to avoid to get a higher band score in writing. We will also understand the approach that how to address discussion based essays. Also, in the end, I will be predicting the band score for the essay that I will be evaluating today. So don't go anywhere and let's dive in. Hello everyone, welcome to LeapScholar. From free IELTS lectures and practice questions to mock interviews and tips and tricks, you will find everything here at IELTS Prep by LeapScholar. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to get your daily dose of IELTS content. Okay, so first of all, let us understand the question. So this is the question. Some people believe that more actions can be taken to prevent crimes, while others think little can be done. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Okay, so what does it mean? A section of society believes that more actions are to be taken so that crime rate can be reduced, while the other part of the society believe that no, a little can be done and that is fine. Okay, what is your task? Your task is you need to discuss both the viewpoints and then we need to share our opinion. Now something good that I can see in this essay, see, proper rough work that student has done. So this is something that I always appreciate whenever I see that my students are doing so. I always appreciate that. See, spend 2 to 3 minutes in planning your essay. Okay, don't jump onto it. Okay, question dekha, likhe. No, this thing will not help you. Rather, it will kill your time. So first, properly plan your essay. Jot down your ideas and then start writing. See, student has written all the ideas, what he or she was preparing to write, planning to write. Okay, so now let us see. Okay, how student has approached the essay. So the first paragraph in essay writing we have is its introduction. And what all things you are supposed to add in introduction? First one, I don't have that much space. Okay, I'm writing here only. First is your general statement. Next, paraphrasing. Apart from this, your thesis and outline. So these things you are supposed to write in introduction, out of which your paraphrasing and thesis is something which is mandatory. Okay, so let us see how student has approached it. It is largely believed that preventive actions can be taken to curb crimes. Okay, now here I have a problem. See, here student has written that preventive actions can be taken. But in the question, nowhere it is mentioned that no actions are being taken. The question is about more actions can be taken. So that more wala part, student missed in the introduction. So while paraphrasing, always make sure that whatever you will be writing in your introductory paragraph, now it should take you to the question itself. Okay, and if it is not, then samajh lena that you are doing something wrong. Okay, chalo, let's move further. While to the others judgment apostrophe should be there. There are limitations to what can be done. Okay, here somewhere student is going off topic. It is not about that we cannot do anything or nothing can be done. It is about some belief that no, more steps should be taken, while others believe no, okay, if like not that much is to be done, okay, if less steps will be taken, that is also fine. So I am hoping that in one of the body paragraphs student must have gone off topic, so we'll explore it later. Okay, so I conquer to the view that taking considerable actions can avoid crime. Okay, now don't end your introduction like this. Student could have written something like due to the reasons explained in subsequent paragraphs or in forthcoming paragraphs, right? So always provide a proper ending, proper finishing to your introductory paragraph. Now let us have a look on body paragraph 1. So on one hand, a good start with a linker. On one hand, taking preventive actions by the police and concerned authorities will provide less opportunities for criminal to commit the offense. Okay, fine. Here, refrain word could also be used. Next, preventing steps as installation of closed circuit television. Now, please avoid such kind of mess during your IELTS test. Okay, you are writing with pencil, so make use of eraser and don't create such kind of mess while writing. So here student could have written such as preventive steps such as installation of closed circuit televisions, cameras, police patrolling, creation. Oh, I thought it's G. So always take care of formations, it should be clearly written. Checkpoints are few of measures that will avoid crimes. Okay. Secondly, wow, clear progression in the essay. Ideas are organized. So that is why students will get a good band score in coherency to maintain that progression in the essay. So we'll see whether it is maintained throughout the essay or not. It's too early to comment. Okay, so secondly, swift action by the sheriff. Swift, can we replace it with prompt? That will go more into context, no? So choosing correct verb. So choosing correct word that will go as per the context is very important. Okay, so random googling the word, so you cannot put those words anywhere. So prompt action, right? Actions. Okay, not any particular action we are talking about. It is about actions. So prompt actions by the sheriff in catching criminals and putting them behind the bars will deter people from executing illegal actions. Okay, fine, justified enough. Now, rather than acting alone, authorities may also engage the general public and create a strong task force to bring all criminals to the books. Now, bringing someone to the books. It's a phrase and idioms. Okay, avoid writing phrases and idioms in your essays. These are informal style of writings. However, your essay in IELTS is strictly formal. Okay, so please make sure to avoid phrases and idioms. After that, for instance, add a comma. In Portugal, a strong partnership of police and people has been effective in curbing the smugglers and bringing down the crime rate. Okay, fine, justified. Example is also making sense, sticking to the topic. So overall, after reading body paragraph 1, I can say that student is making mistakes in punctuations, especially adding comma after the linker. That is the only mistake that I can see. Otherwise, consistent throughout the essay till now as per the tenses, so it is going fine. Vocabulary is also good. Somewhere words which are not going with the context are not used, but otherwise a good start. Okay, so now let us move further. Body paragraph 2. Now here I'm hoping some ideas which can be off topic, because in introduction student was not on the topic. So let us see. Okay, now can you notice student has started body paragraph 2 with a linker on the other hand. So it's a good start. Connecting your body paragraph 2 with body paragraph 1. It's good. With advent in technology, crimes have also taken a new form. Okay, new age criminals can operate remotely as hackers and sweep your money. Avoid such kind of pronouns while writing. Your money from accounts by digital transactions. Hence, criminal nowadays are much ahead of us. No, this kind of language, no, is not required while writing. It is not apt. Okay, so take care of such things. I, we, you, okay, us, we will avoid such things. You can use personal pronouns in case of example or your thesis. Otherwise, avoid while generating the ideas. Also, I couldn't see that how this idea is linked with the topic. First point of view, student explained nicely that yes, more steps to be taken. However, the second part was some little can be done, right? This was the second part, no? Yes. So while others think little can be done, so that little can be done, that part is somehow not addressed so far in this body paragraph. For instance, again, it's a link. For instance, comma has to be there, which is missing. Millions of losses were incurred, cryptocurrency hackers. Okay, so as expected, here student went off topic completely, and because of this student will lose band in task response. So always make sure, please do not overgeneralize the topic. Whatever is being asked, write on that particular topic only. Okay, now moving further, conclusion. In conclusion, comma should be here. It won't be improbable. Won't. Please don't write contractions. Okay, be improbable to say that careful preemptive approach can avoid crimes to large extent. Okay, fine. So here in conclusion, what all things you are supposed to include? First, the summary you are supposed to write, plus you need to restate thesis. So here student restated the thesis, like what was the opinion, that more actions should be taken, so that student has done. Okay, so somehow conclusion is still acceptable, but it could have been better if student would have taken one idea from first body paragraph, another idea from second body paragraph, and then would restate the thesis. So that would be a better approach to design conclusion in such kind of essays. Otherwise, let us see as per the assessment criteria that how student has performed. Okay, so the first one is your task response. Here student will lose the band score because of second body paragraph. Student was not on topic, student misunderstood the question, so definitely the student will lose band here. Coherency and cohesion, I would say it was apt. Student used wide range of linkers. Okay, student tried really well to connect body paragraphs, to connect sentences, so a good job done. For lexical resources, I would say it was good. Okay, I like certain words that student used while writing the essay. However, some words were not going with the context, but that is fine. One or two words were there, but overall it was again a good job done. Moving on to grammatical range and accuracy. Range was good. Student is able to use complex structures. Okay, now if I talk about accuracy, then punctuation that we mentioned, like punctuation, and that is one common mistake, using commas after the linkers. That thing was missing, so it will somehow impact the band score in this essay for grammatical range and accuracy, but a fair job done here as well. Okay, so overall I can predict that this student, keeping task response in mind, this student will get 6 to 6.5 in this essay. Okay, so now we have learned how to approach, discuss both views and give your opinion, means discussion type essays. In first body paragraph, discuss one view. In second body paragraph, discuss another view. And you cannot be biased while discussing those views, okay? And make sure to frame your ideas, to support your ideas with examples. And while writing examples, no statistical data, okay? So this is it from my side today. I hope you people learned that how you can improve and you can avoid the mistakes while writing the essays. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. I'll see you next time with another essay evaluation. Bye-bye.